Hi guys, it's Gracie, and today, oh my god, the sun is bright. Today, that TikTok, sorry. Anyway, today well, let me give you some insight. It's gonna take 30 seconds, guys, don't leave the video. My room's a mess, I'm a mess, I'm home all the time. I'm online for school, so I literally stay in my room all day long, and, it's boring. It's freaking boring. So I was like, guys, I need to film a YouTube video. But then I was like, I don't even know what to film. Then I was like, oh my god, my room looks like a mess. And then I was like, okay, you know what? Let's just film me cleaning my room. Because I know that's what everyone wants to see. Right? Right? Oh yeah, I know. Such an entertaining idea. Anyway, I know it's probably not the most entertaining thing, but we're gonna make it entertaining. Don't ask me how we're gonna do that. Oh, I accidentally spilled some water apparently. I know the first thing we're gonna clean. I got a water spill. Looks like some pee. Looks like some, yeah, but I swear it's water, guys. Smell it, you know. Give it a little sniff sniff. So my room is, I don't know how to say it, like it's a train wreck. We've got crap everywhere, crap everywhere, crap everywhere. So yeah, I've got a random tray table. Long story about that. Got a sock. Yeah, I don't know why I have that. I've got some change, we've got some stains, you know. This is disgusting. If I had to pick one like spot in my room that would bother me, I would say my bed. It's like I cannot stand to have like a crappy bed because when I go to bed at night, it's all whopper jawed. Like what am I supposed to sleep with? Like, got a blanket down there, we got a blanket down there, got a blanket. Oh god. I just throw my computer across the room. I am so cold at night. I like don't just sleep on top of like the sheets. I sleep on a zebra blanket. Guys, it's life-changing. Like, get a fuzzy blanket and like it's just so much warmer. Got pillows after pillows after pillows. Push this bad boy down. Love the tapestry. Got it from Amazon. Get yourself one. And we got my crusted, dusted, busted freaking remote that the back kept falling off. So I finally just taped it and it actually like works now. So yeah. We love that. Nothing Scotch tape can't fix. So now we're gonna get my comforter, my white comforter that has multiple stains on it, which I will wash one day, but that day's not today. So, sorry guys. Sorry about it. And it's raspberry chocolate chunk ice cream, if you're wondering. So yeah, we've got that whole thing. You know, we gotta get that decorative in there. Gotta be fun, festive, fresh. Throwing a decorative. And this gray blanket actually gets to make her special appearance on my bed. In case anybody cares. And it just like kind of like flows off of my bed. You know, fun, festive, cute. There's that, I guess. I mean, it doesn't even look that great. Like we've got wrinkles, we've got stains, we've got pillows that like have pee on them. I mean, no, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I kind of forgot about the stain. So like, let me go get a towel real quick. Oops. Actually, I use this obnoxious towel that's just sitting in my room. Look at that, we're killing two birds with one stone. I guess we're just gonna do, I mean, I don't really know how to, I guess we're just gonna do this thing, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I mean, honestly, that's all I do, and bam. Cover it up with a rug. Take the glass so you don't knock it out next time, and we're good. We're bougie. We're bad and bougie. Alright, so we've got this section done. Why is the lighting so bright? Is there a ghost in here? Y'all, okay, there we go. Okay, I guess we'll grab this sock, I mean. That would be good. Oh wow, I just knew that there was a sock here. You know. Oh god. Wait till you see my drawers. Yeah, we're gonna not clean my drawers today. We're just gonna cross this bridge when we get to it. So we're just gonna shove that here and act like we're put together. Because that's just something I'm not in the mood for, you know. Along with under my bed. You know, in the drawer. Not here for that today. Maybe another time. We got work. I don't care. Sorry, school. Oh my god. We've got snacks on snacks on snacks. No, I'm just kidding. I was hungry today, though. But I'm not a Doritos person. Like, I grabbed them and had 3 and then just, like, shoved them there. Like, I was playing Fortnite. I just, like, I guess I could put these in. This is also another thing that stresses me out when it's dirty because I'm always, like, doing schoolwork or, like, playing games right here. And I hate the clutter. So, my remote, I just, like, put in this cute little section of my room. You know, just put that there. We got a chip clip wrapped around the leg of my microphone. Girl, you gotta stop being so clingy. Dang. I kind of want to like take everything off, wipe, put everything on. I feel like we need that kind of fresh start because we've got like dust everywhere. And like I can organize all I want, but like it's gonna be dusted, crusted, and busted, and I don't want that. So we're gonna just do some wiping. Guys, look at this adorable fan. Our air conditioning went out over the summer, and so we just like bought a bunch of fans. So I gotta keep me a cute little blue fan for my room. My problem in my room is that I've got so much stuff. Like I literally have a million cords down there, and like I really don't know how to figure that out. It doesn't bother me too much, but then like when I pay attention to it, it like kills me. So I'm gonna go get a rag and we're gonna wipe this down. I don't know what this is on my wall, but this just got painted like not long ago, so that kind of sucks. Sorry, wall. Didn't mean to disrespect you like that, but you're a little dirty, a little ratchet. Oh yeah, guys, look. Wait, I know I'm not cleaning very much, but and I'm just talking, but look at my energy drink collection. If I know you or whatever, you know, send me some of your cans. So yeah, the desk looks pretty good. I put a little candle there to be, you know, cute and festive. It's pushing and a couple. Yeah. That's what it is, guys. No. But it smells really good. Love it. Looks cute. We love being festive for fall. Yeah, and as I clean like certain sections of my room, I'm just gonna like take out stuff like this chair. So then like when I'm completely done, I can vacuum. Also, like, why do I have this in my room? Like, this is completely random. God, I can't get it out of the freaking door. Alright. Oh my god. Also, like, I don't know why my brother has a ton of fake $100 bills in his room, but he does. Anyway, I'm gonna just leave that alone because none of my business, I guess. Trash can, you know, pick up some trash here. Clean out the trash can. Gotta get that junky junk out of my room. We don't want no smelly bugs. Also, I don't know what's at the bottom of this, but we should probably clean that out. And it smells like sour, so love that. I don't know if that should go in our sink. My mom might not be too happy with me. So, oh my gosh, why is it so bright? Dang! And then dark, and then bright, and then dark, and then bright. So, it's really gross. We're just gonna spray it out. So yeah, now we just got a bucket of water. Oh! I just spilled it on the ground. Oops. Oops, I did it again. Got lost in the game. Okay, we're good. Dude, this is good. We didn't even use soap, we just rinsed it out. It's cool. It's a trash can, it's not gonna be clean anyway. Next order of business is this section. Another really cluttered part of my room. Put that over here real quick because I'm gonna put it back. Keep picturing me and my friend. Sports things. I take everything out, really. Got some change, which I think I have like a pickle jar in my sock drawer of change, and that's like the most random thing ever. But I'm all about just putting things in jars, like right now. I don't know why. Where? Actually, maybe it's not in a pickle jar in my drawer. Oh, it was in my shorts drawer this time. But yeah, I have a pickle jar of coins, and yeah. Oh my god, I can't even open it. It smells like pickles, but I'm too lazy to clean it, so there we go. We just got junk. Like at this point, it's just junk. So we're just gonna take this all off. We just gotta wipe everything off. So we need a wet rag, and this is like actually really gross. Like, I have a candle and it like burns. When it burns, it like gets the wax out. Yeah, we have a lot of cleaning to do because this like table gets dirty fast, really fast, and dusty like quick, and like it's just not easy. Or I'm just lazy. I haven't figured that out yet. So yeah, then now that it's wiped, we can like reorganize everything. I have like a few perfume bottles, and then I have like, and they all like match kind of like the color. And then I have like a diamond thing, like a cute stone. And then like some pearls. I just like to have there kind of for decoration. But I've actually worn them a few times. And then I have my fossil watch that I really like. I like the box of this, so I just like keep this here too. Like that. And we'll get my mini fridge. Oh, I need to wipe down my Alexa because it's dusted, crusted, and busted. Honey, you're ratchet. This stuff I'm gonna find a new home for because I like the cleanness of this, so we're gonna keep that like that. And now I've got junk on my floor, so we're just gonna go through and like clean overall like everything. I'm getting my smoke detector replaced, everybody.
I'm going to the...
My dad's replacing the smoke detectors in the house.
That's right.
I'm cleaning my room, and he just happened to have to replace. There's a dog. We're replacing this. We're replacing the smoke detector. Paxton's enjoying himself too. Say hi, Paxton. I think this might be Paxton's first time on YouTube. Is it Paxton's first time on YouTube? Say hi. Sit. Okay, he don't listen. Sit. Shake. Shake. Yes, good boy. I taught him how to shake. Actually, my room's like gotten like pretty clean right now. We just gotta sweep, wait for him to do this thing, and then, yeah. Oh, and I've got some junk over here. But Paxton, no, that's a dirty rag. No dirty rags. We don't eat dirty rags. Look, Paxton's sitting here supporting you too. Okay, so this is random. While my dad's doing that in my room, I thought this was funny. My mom just put this on the door because, actually, Mom, can you tell the story about little Mr. Paxton here?
Well, our dog Paxton, as cute as he can be, he's our golden doodle, likes to eat packages. So every time we order something, whether it's from FedEx, UPS, USPS, or Amazonians, it gets chewed. So guess what we have to do?
What are you chewing, mister?
He chews it up, so I come home, guess what? Everything's chewed up. So I made a sign.
So she made a sign, which this is another version. This is the sign that's on the front door, but I'll just show you right here. Dear Amazon, blah, blah, blah. Please make sure all packages you are delivering are placed in the back seat of the blue Mazda car in front of our barn. We have a dog, Paxton, that is that's so funny. We had packages delivered to our door, and our dog would literally eat them.
You didn't read the rest of it. We have a friendly dog.
I said...
Unfortunately, he likes packages. He will eat them.
Yeah, he's eaten packages.
He's eaten his package before.
So... Yeah, so he's sitting there waiting for a package to be delivered so he can eat.
He's waiting right now. Yep, he's waiting to chew something.
He's waiting to chew something up. And it's the holiday season, so there's going to be a lot more packages.
More packages to chew.
Paxton's excited. Yep. Paxton, if you won't get a stocking from Santa if you don't stop chewing packages. So we're going to go get the vacuum cleaner. Yeah.
That's the alarm system.
This is loud. I want to pick it up.
Okay, come and get it. Always.
Crap, dinner's ready.
Always time.
We gotta grab the rugs, and basically we're just gonna vacuum, put it back, put this stuff back, and then we're good. Pretty much. Pretty much. He's like, ooh, rugs. I like rugs. We've got the floor basically cleaned. Good enough, right? High five. Give me high five. Boom. Yes. Good boy. We're done cleaning. Well, kind of. So now I'm just putting rugs down. You know, looking all fresh and clean. And yeah. Oh yeah, look at that action. And we got a candle lit. So yeah. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Oh god, what did I just do with my hair? Follow me on Instagram. I post quite often, and big like, subscribe, and comment down below any videos you guys would like to see. Peace out.